Good morning, everyone. My name is Natalie K. Karanatika. When I grow up, I want to be a flight attendant. I dream of traveling the world, helping passengers, and I make flight safe and enjoyable. I greet everyone with a big smile and say, welcome aboard. I have learned so much in kindergarten, such as reading, writing, counting, and being kind. Thank you, Teacher Sheila. Thank you, Teacher Danessa, for your love and guidance. Thank you, Sir Max, for leading our school with guidance and wisdom. To my mommy and daddy, thank you for always loving and supporting me. Thank you, classmates, for all the fun and happy moments we shared. This is just the beginning of our journey. One day I will be a flight attendant, and I hope to see you all on my plane. Congratulations, everyone.